Be honest, cut the camera. Do you actually know what you're doing? Mechanic, yeah?
Step 1, disconnect the battery. Turn the engine off, yeah? Yeah, we just wiggle. It's going back to stock. I'm getting rid of the car, I'm selling it. What we're going to do is we're going to take off the induction kit. Under here is the short shifter, we'll take that off. Throttle elbow as well is coming off. Another day I'll take off side skirts, the lip as well, diffuser, stock one's got to go back on. I think that's everything. That's today's video, boys.
Big knocking noise coming from the
Nah,
bottom
stop.
No,
You know what? On any Fiesta, they're known for that noise.
Listen, I'm doing a quick walk round of Cayman's car. Oi, it's getting naughty here. Let me show you lot something. Look at this grille. Ford Performance. Yeah, don't watch that. Ford Performance. Listen, if you haven't got... Listen, this jalop ain't even got Ford Performance, yeah? And this one has ST. Super fucking technical,
They know the mods. I've done the mods already, but go on.
They know the mods. Oi, oi, listen. Go to the back of the car, my G. Oi! Oh.
Don't always have a camera on me, innit?
Have it on me.
Show them the kit. Show them the kit. This is what we use now. Big boy kit.
Alright, take two.
no, take one, innit?
Mechanic, yeah? Mechanic.
Step 1, disconnect the battery because I don't want to get.
Step 1, where's your McLaren hat? If you ain't got a McLaren hat, you're not even worthy of this job. Show him the hat, Cayman. No.
Right, I just see your bald head.
Nick. Whoa.
Right, flip that camera right now.
Flip the camera.
Show him that hairline. No,
Flip the camera, come on.
Come here, no, flip the camera, yeah. Do I really trust Cayman with taking off a battery right now? We're gonna blast it.
Turn the engine off, yeah?
Nah, the engine's on.
Step 1, yeah? Make sure the ratchet, whatever it is, yeah?
Cayman,
Obviously-
run us through with the outfit choice of tonight. Tell us what's going on.
Oh, it was whatever was available, I can't lie.
Show him that juicy
Alright,
ass.
cool, so look. Battery, disconnect the battery.
You just done a fucking panoramic view of your
When you
arse.
take the battery, when you disconnect the battery, it's the negative. You don't touch the positive. Alright, what's next, boys? Next.
Little story. So Dylan put on the induction kit. We got home, and it came off.
Now go put the camera on you when you do say that, mate.
Nah.
Yeah, what? Can I get...
So this is the MAF sensor of the.
So this piece here, this is your exhaust.
Yeah, you just wiggle this, yeah, and you're
I'm pretty sure that's not the right technique, but
you just wiggle this, yeah.
Yeah, go on.
Alright, cool. Dash that. No, I need to sell that.
No, I'll put it on my van.
This is
Bit
literally-
rusty, Cayman.
The real one, isn't it?
Do you, be honest, cut the camera. Do you actually know what you're doing? Be honest, do you know what you're doing? Let me take control of the camera. So Nick, show us your hairline quickly. Cayman, tell us what's happening.
Alright, so I'm taking the rear Jubilee clip off so I
Yeah.
can get the hose pipe.
Is it
the
really?
silicone
Is it
hose
undoing?
off.
Because you've been doing that for a while
No,
now.
I'm just loosening it. Down here, that's the short shift. Okay, it's still there. Cool. No, I can't. I'll show them.
Make sure it hasn't fallen off.
That red thing there, that's the short shifter.
Quick disclaimer, because we actually forgot, you have to wear the appropriate PPE. What's the benefits of wearing gloves? What can go wrong if you don't wear gloves?
Cool, I mean, dirty hands, but like.
No, but you as well, you don't want to be cutting your hands on different bits.
Where's your safety goggles?
They're in the car actually.
Have you got some safety goggles?
Yeah, my driving glasses.
Slap them on right now. Look at the equipment. Look.
Right, we ain't got long yet. We've got like an hour and a half before we get a ticket.
Give it. Show him the wrist. Oi, come on.
It's getting serious now.
It's getting serious,
Gloves
bravs.
are off.
Whoa, man's rolled up the sleeve. It's all going
Right,
off now.
if I lose this bolt, it's a long day. Got to concentrate. G. Hold on. No, don't. If I drop this, it's a long day. I got it. Long day.
What is that?
I don't know, it's just-
Mate, you got free zoom. Hang on, look at the camera. Mental. Get a tool. Every time you what? Cayman?
Right, it's a bit rusty.
Yeah, it is. I had to get this.
Oi,
we got
Ford
water leaks.
Performance.
What?
Ford Performance. Oh, hang on. Mate, that has literally taken up half your engine. It's empty.
Alright, so this is now got to. So I've got to lift this off. Oh shit! This has got to come off. This is a pain in the ass to come off, but. Nah, I had this
It's at this point we end the camera. Like, would we say at this point, Cayman, it's not looking good, bruv?
I can't remember how I took this off. Oh, no, I remember that. There we go.
Nick, what's that? Something just full?
Yeah, show them that.
Look.
So this has
I'll
to
tell you
come
what's
off.
happening, okay?
So this is the short.
My man's taking off a short shifter.
Yep.
With it's used as leverage.
Yep.
Which never ends well.
Yep.
So basically, what he's just done, is destroyed his third cylinder. So now
That was already gone.
That was gone, mate.
Oh, so you know down to one
I'm
cylinder.
off at like 8,000 miles.
Yeah, tell everyone how many miles your car's on.
I said, you know that Stormzy video? He's like, these times.
I promise, like, and
Welcome back to the tripod. Cayman's still on the mix. See, forged Forgiato alloys. Sign writing done by Yanni. He didn't, but should I show you the sponsorship? Shout out to Parts Plug. Ignore the dirty van. Man is so busy, he doesn't even get time to wash his own van. Duo by Luke. Yeah, if you don't know about Duo. Listen, if you don't.
Wait, I have a question for you.
Are you officially gassed?
Go subscribe, yeah?
Yeah, and make sure as well, you call Dylan's Detailing, because obviously ignore the state of this, but your car comes out fresh every time. The portfolio is mental, yeah? If you see the
Why's
car,
your jumper up like that?
If you see the man's dyslexic in it, the quality of the job, yeah? Impeccable, unmatchable.
Should we give them a bit of a tour of the inside?
Absolutely not. Or if you zoom in to the windscreen, you can actually see my little Hot Wheels collection, minus the milk. 35 GTI, yeah?
Hold it still.
Manifestation.
Manifestation.
Fast and Furious thing. Show 'em the
Mad.
Supra.
Mad.
Show 'em the cars, yeah?
Lovely.
In
a bit, Munchie.
Manifestation.
Wait, actually say it. Come on. Say it. Manifestation.
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 Hey, listen. I don't know how to say it either, G.
Wait, Cayman, say it.
We're gonna leave on. We're gonna leave
No,
on.
come on.
Oh, he's got a fresh air filter. I can't lie. Almost looking as fresh.
Oh, mate, they're scraping your
Almost looking as fresh as my team. Yeah, I can come back if you want.
Where you going?
To drop off the Skyline pass, because obviously man's got a proper car. Yeah, Nick, get that in.
Alright, look, it's coming
Man's
off.
got a proper car.
Alright, so the top bit off, bottom bit. Don't drop it. Humour speed, I can't lie. We've got a bit of meltage going on. Now what we're going to do is, so this is obviously stock, so this is what engages the gearbox, I believe, or something. This bit here, so this can now got to click in there.
Do you know what you're talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah?
So that goes up there. So that's now in there. So look, if I go change the gears, you'll see that. Alright, so while the car's like this, yeah, man, look at my hand. This is why I wear gloves. I should have brought wipes, I can't lie. Anyway, alright, next is going to come off is this.
What's that?
Throw it well, guys. That's the OEM one. When I take this one off, you'll see the difference.
Say
And
manifestation.
then manifestation.
Nice one.
Always clean your workspace. Everything I don't now need, I'm just going to remove.
Welcome back to part 350, my guy.
Alright, show them. So basically, okay, so now I'm going to take the throttle elbow off. So what's going to happen is, that's got to come off. This needs to come off. And then there's three torque screws?
Look like it, yeah.
So this is what me and Nick dropped outside.
No, sorry, it's what you dropped
2 times.
in a B&Q car park
like what?
at like 11 at night.
In the arse.
Had to take off the whole fucking under tray.
Alright, now this thing has to come off.
My 240, I'm a proper mechanic now.
Cool, that's now off. Alright, cool. Once that's off, we can take this off. Alright, so I'm going to do the back one first because that's probably the hardest one. I hope. Cool.
Where are we actually?
Alright, so this is ready to come off, so it should just, there we go. Come off, because that goes on the stock. Alright, that was painful to come off. So that's what a throttle elbow looks like. So that opens up. How does it work? Air comes in, and then, I don't know, power or what. Cool, so this is the comparison. You can see the difference. Obviously that's the OEM design. It's completely clear, allowing more air. So when you're on the throttle, more responsive or not, but yeah.
Look, that is the throttle body.
Look, that thing there, things the throttle body.
Don't touch it, but I don't want your greasy hands on it. I swear, I'm a mechanic. I am a mechanic. I could be a certified mechanic. Alright, so that's the original one on. I've got to screw it in, put the Jubilee clip up, tighten that, and then that's the OEM throttle elbow installed. Okay, that's the box for the filter panel in there. Next, connect that to the crossover pipe. And that's the whole reversal from modded to OEM done. Right, cool, MAF sensors all put into this. Wash that out the way. And clip into there. Cool, that's in. There we go, that's in. Tighten it all up. There's a bolt down here I need to do. Back to the way it should be. Happy days. Alright, cool. So, job's a good one. Sam's arriving, isn't he? Is that Sam? So, job's done. Next, I've got to do, I think, body mods. Yeah, so wait, check. Have you checked that? There's no bolts, nothing.
Bro, it's your car.
Wait, let me just check. So I've got that's all back to how it should be. Yeah, you can close it.
Say goodbye, innit?
Go on.